Hello guys, I am Adik and in this video we'll learn how to display characters on the screen and how to blink words on the display. Let's start making the circuit. We'll require the Smoboard Think Mini, an LCD display, 4 female to female wires and a small screwdriver to adjust the brightness of the screen. We'll now make this circuit to interface the LCD. Let's take the LCD display and flip it and connect the 4 female to female wires to the back of it over here like this. Now as we can see, we have connected our red wire to GND, which is the ground pin, the orange wire to VCC pin, green wire to SDA and yellow wire to SCL pin. Now connect the red wire to ground pin of our Smoboard Think Mini. The orange wire to VCC, which is V in pin or the 5 volts pin of the Smoboard Think Mini, like this. Then the SDA pin, which is our green wire, to pin number 18, which is D18 on our Smoboard Think Mini, and the yellow wire, which is the SCL pin on D19. Now we'll connect the Smoboard Think Mini with our laptop. As we can see, the LCD is powered on, but we cannot see any blocks on the screen. For that, again flip the LCD display and using the screwdriver, turn the screw behind the LCD until you get blocks on the screen. You'll have to turn it clockwise and we can see a few blocks on the screen. Stop whenever you get blocks on the screen. Let's launch the Smocode ID and code for our project. Let's create a new project in the Smocode ID with the name of LCD project, and let's create the new project and it's created. Now we'll get a list of nodes on the left side on the palette. Let's pick the on interval node and make sure its interval is set to 1. To open this menu, double click on the node and here we can set it to 1. Click on done. Now we'll pick an LCD clear node and connect it to our on interval node. Now on each interval of 1 second, LCD clear will activate and clear the LCD screen that we have connected to our Smoboard Think Mini. Double click on the LCD node and click on the pencil icon that appears in the first property in the menu. Make sure the SCL pin is set to pin number 19 and SDA pin is set to pin number 18. Click add, click done, and our configuration for LCD clear is done. Now take a delay node and make sure its interval is set to 1 second. Now we'll take an LCD print node and print our message. Connect it to the delay node and type the message inside the double inverted commas as hello world. Click done. Now do change the on interval to 2 seconds, as will require to clear the display every 2 seconds while printing on the screen in just 1 second after it. Now upload the code to our Smoboard Think Mini. Before doing that, make sure our device port is selected in the menu of the Smocode ID. It will ask us to press the boot button for a while. The code is uploaded now. As we can see, hello world gets displayed on the screen and it's blinking every 1 second. Let's go back to our IDE and write the code for printing characters on the screen which we give from our serial display window. For that, first remove the current code's delay node and the on interval node, and pick an on receive node from the serial category. To configure it, double click on the node and click on the pencil icon in the menu. Make sure our port number is set to UART 0 and the TX pin is set to 1, RX pin is set to 3, and click add. Again click done and connect these nodes. Now on receipt of any data from the computer, the LCD will clear itself and we will print some characters on the screen. Now we need to print the characters that are output by that we output from the computer. We output it as data, so we'll print the same on the LCD print in the LCD print node. So click on the data suggestion, or we can simply type the data variable name and click done to finish configuration of the LCD print node. Now let's save the file using Ctrl S and verify the code. As we can see, verification was successful. Now let's upload the code to our Smoboard Think menu. It will again ask us to press the boot button for a while on the Smoboard Think menu. The code is uploaded now and the project has started working. Currently we won't see anything on the screen because we haven't sent it any data from the computer. To send data, let's open the serial display panel from the by using the serial display button at the top of the screen. You'll get the serial display window. Now here, type hello and click send. As we can see, the message has printed on the screen. Similarly, we can type anything, hello from Smo, and the text gets displayed on the screen. That's all for this project, guys. For more details and explanation, check the website documentation link in the video description. Hope you guys liked the video. See you in the next project.